We have some trader talk to get to with Jared Levy, the Chief Market Strategist at Peak American Financial Group. Jared, you have your eyes all over the market. What do you think about the grand money rotation as investors are now buying the ugly ducklings and the dogs of the Dow? People are excited about those stocks that have been out of sight, out of mind, almost forgotten.
Yeah, sometimes we miss the ones that we haven't paid attention to for a while. And small caps are part of that family. For a long time, small caps have kind of been ignored. All this money's been flowing into tech, big popular companies. And, we are trying to determine the exact reason for it. I've got a couple, obviously. We have the election coming up. You still have a decent economy. And the truth is, a lot of small cap stocks are relatively cheap. So the way that we want to do this, though, is we don't want to just go in and buy small caps. That's what the amateurs do.
Of course, we want to know what pros do. So what would be your trade here, Jared?
So the way I'm playing it is, again, instead of just going with the Russell IWM, I like the SLYG. It's a very unique ETF. It's focused on the S&P 600, but the key here is its most heavily weighted sectors, they're in industrials, technology, and consumer discretionary, whereas the Russell is really heavily weighted in financials. In fact, that's the top holdings in the Russell 2000 is financials. I'm going to kind of steer away from financials. I'm a believer that the American consumer is going to do okay, at least for the next 6 months to a year. So I'm buying SLYG, and I'm going to own it. It's about $90 here. I'm good owning it till about 110.
Wow, a straight out buy and hold for you. You are really bullish on this ETF.
Yeah. I mean, I'm feeling, listen, I feel pretty good about things for now. Now, Angie, you and me, 3, 4, 5 months from now, things could change. But at the moment, I do think there's some momentum to be had here. There's a lot of cash on the sidelines, and people are starting to move in to small caps. And again, I love the SLYG. It gives us a unique spin, and I still think there's some room to run.
Thank you, Jared, for all of your trader talk today.
Thanks, Angie. Thank you so much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.